Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you guys to this Data Science in Now with Usman Mushtaq video tutorial series. In this video tutorial, I will be starting with plots in R, how to generate simple plots with the basic functions in R. And so as you people already know, R is a very powerful tool to generate high quality visualizations, charts or plots which you can use in your automated reports, or if you want to generate some charts or plot for your research work. It could also be very useful and it's very user friendly. So I hope you people are already familiarized with data frames and vectors and how to generate variables after loading data from some files. If you're already following this video tutorial series, it would be easier for you to follow. So in this video tutorial, I will be going through mostly the theory, what are the high level plots, what are the local and global parameters, and what are the low level graphical functions which could be used to generate high quality visualization. So let's start with high level plots. In this high level plots, for example, if you want to plot two x and y numeric variables, so simply you have to use this function plot x y and then it gives you the plot. And then there are other parameters you can set inside it, and once you call this function, it will generate a new graphic device. Every time you call this function, it will generate a new graphic device. Then for example, if you want to generate a bar plot, there is a function bar plot with x. You have to give here a variable or vector. And then similarly for histogram, we have a histx function. For pie chart, we have a piex function, and for box plot we have a box plot with x, y, and further parameters. So in this, if you keep following this video tutorial series, we will be covering all these cases. And then there are local and global parameters concept. This is very important concept. For example, we already saw here we have this high level function. So inside these functions, whatever parameters you define, they are local parameters, okay? And for example, if you call this plot and then you call this plot, the parameters which you set here will not be used here, or they will be only used for this plot, okay? So this is the general understanding for local parameters. But if you have a global parameter set at the start and then you want to generate different type of chart, then that global parameter will be set in all these functions parameters, okay? So this is the difference between local and global parameter, okay? So to set the global parameter, there is a function par, okay? We will be using this, and I will be showing you how to see its documentation and how to see all these parameters which you can set using par function to set global parameters. And then to get help, yeah, definitely question mark and par, you type this in your RStudio and it will give you the documentation. And just to little bit give you a feel what this parameter, for example, if you want to have a fixed width and height of all your pictures, you can set those parameters in power function. Or if you want to color some x-axis or y-axis with definite color, you can set it here. If you want to have specific type of font, labels, and yeah, so there are many options. You have to see the documentation according to your requirement. You have to adjust it. Okay, then there are low level graphical functions. Once you have already generated a plot using high level functions, let's say you already generated some scatter plot or histogram, then the next thing is you want to add some horizontal or vertical lines, okay? So these low level graphical functions will be just adding new components to your already existing graphic device. They will not generate a new graphic device. So this you need to be bit you have to feed into your mind, okay? What is the difference between low level and high level functions, okay? And then there are line functions by which you can generate some tangent lines, and then if you want to mark some points, you can use this points function on a graph. Then if you want to put some text, you can put text as well, and or labels. And then if you want to draw some polygons, you can use this. And for example, if you want to put legend to some specific position, then you can use this legend function as well, okay? So that's it from my side. I hope so basic concepts or basic theory how to generate basic plots in R is already clear. Okay, and in the next video tutorials I will be going to RStudio and showing you how to generate high quality visualization starting from basic level, and then we will be step by step going to top level. Okay, I hope that's it from my side, and thanks for your likes and subscriptions. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel so that you stay tuned with the latest videos related to data science. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.